Olivia Jade was spotted packing on the PDA with a mystery man outside celeb hotspot Delilah, after her DWTS debut. See the pics. Olivia Jade Giannulli might have a new man in her life. The social media personality, 21, and daughter of Lori Loughlin and Massimo Giannulli, was spotted cuddling up to a mystery man following a dinner date at Delilah in Los Angeles on September 25. The PDA pics come just 1 month after she split from boyfriend Jackson Guthy, which she confirmed during an Instagram story Q&A on Thursday, August 12. In the new snaps, Olivia donned a black crop top and high-waisted beige pants, which she paired with black boots and a brown shoulder bag. Her male companion cut a casual figure in a black tee and dark jeans, along with an army green jacket, as he held hands and cuddled up close to the Dancing with the Stars competitor. As fans would know, Olivia recently made her debut on the reality competition show's 30th season. She opened up to HollywoodLife about how her mom has been helping her. "My mom's been a huge support," Olivia said on September 8. "She's in total mom mode. Like, make sure you're taking an Epsom salt bath. She's trying to get me to take a nice bath. I'm like, I don't need a nice bath yet. So just ways like that. My sister, Bella, has been telling me she wants to come to every single show. They have to reserve a ticket for every time, which I don't even know how that works with the live performance and COVID right now. Everybody's been really supportive and I'm super grateful." Related gallery. Celebrity couples on date night, photos of Chrissy Teigen with John Legend and more. The YouTuber noted that she's very excited to show people the real Olivia Jade throughout DWTS Season 30. "I hope people just really genuinely know how excited and grateful I am for this opportunity," Olivia explained. "I think about a few years ago and knowing that this was very far-fetched and not really in the cards, so I'm super thankful for a second chance and to be out there and putting myself out there and just growing."